In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit link padding in Framer. Padding is the invisible space around your link text that makes the clickable area larger and more comfortable to tap or click. Getting it right improves readability, accessibility, and overall polish. Let's walk through it step by step in a clear, simple flow. Start by opening your project in Framer. Once you're in the canvas, click the link you want to adjust so it's clearly selected. You'll see it highlighted, which confirms you're working on the correct element. Next, head over to the right-hand sidebar and open the Style panel. This is where design properties live. In the Style toolbar, click the A icon to access text-related styles. Within that menu, find the link style and select it. Choose Edit to make changes directly to this link style so your updates apply consistently wherever this style is used. Now look for the padding control. This is where you'll set the space around the link text. With padding open, begin adjusting the values. Think in terms of sides: top, right, bottom, and left. Increasing top and bottom will add vertical breathing room. Increasing right and left will widen the horizontal tap target. Make small, deliberate changes, and watch how the clickable area grows without changing the text size. I like to start by nudging the top and bottom a bit to make the link feel less cramped. Then add just enough left and right padding so it's easy to hit on touch devices. Keep an eye on the layout as you tweak. You want the link to feel balanced with nearby elements, not too tight and not so loose that it looks disconnected. If your design uses underlines, check that the added space still looks clean under the text. If it uses a background color or pill shape, make sure your padding creates a smooth, even capsule around the text. Work through each side, clicking into the values and refining until everything feels right. Small increments are your friend here. It can take a few passes, adjusting, glancing at the canvas, and adjusting again, to dial in a result that feels crisp and intentional. The goal is a link that's easy to interact with, aligned with your typography, and consistent across your layout. When you're satisfied with the spacing and how it looks on the canvas, go ahead and publish your changes. That's it. Your link padding is updated and live. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Framer.